Hey everyone, welcome back. If you cannot log in into the RBC Mobile App, here is the correct way to sign in without errors. First, open the RBC Mobile App on your phone. Also, make sure that it is updated. So, head over to your App Store, search for the RBC app, and then make sure that you've updated it to the latest version. If not, make sure to update it. After that, open the app and then on login screen enter your RBC client card number or your username followed by your password. Double check for typing mistakes, especially if autofill is enabled. If two-step verification is turned on, wait for the security code and enter it exactly as received. If login fails, close the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for RBC Mobile and then swipe it away. Then reopen it and try again using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. If login still does not work, resetting your password usually fixes the issue, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.